Not all of Israel belonged to Israel. Let's take a look at what Paul meant. Romans 9:6. For not all who are descended from Israel belong to Israel. Paul said, not all who are related to Israel, that is, Jacob, shall in the end be part of Israel, that is, the nation, the eternal kingdom of Yahweh. This also means that not all of Israel will be descendants to Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob by blood, but they will be called sons of Abraham by promise, woven in by their faith. Romans 9:8. This means that it is not the children of the flesh who are the children of Elohim, but the children of the promise are reckoned as descendants. Paul was proving a point that no one can be confident in salvation simply because of their bloodlines or relationship back to Abraham. For if you don't practice obedience and faith, it won't matter how closely related you are to Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. On the contrary, no matter how foreign you are to Abraham's family lineage, as long as you believe and obey, you are seen as a son of Abraham, adopted into the family, woven into Israel. Galatians 3:7. Know then that it is those of faith who are the sons of Abraham. This lines up with John the Baptist, who said, we shouldn't put the confidence of our salvation on our blood lineage to Abraham, for Yahweh can make stones become sons of Abraham. Instead, we should be confident in our salvation based on our hearts, which, if it's faithful and obedient to Yahweh and his son Yeshua, we will be seen as sons of Abraham, also known as Israel, also known as salvation. Matthew 3, verse 9 and 10. Don't presume to say to yourselves, we have Abraham as our father. For I tell you, Elohim can create children of Abraham from these very stones. Even now the axe is laid to the root of the trees. Every tree, therefore, that does not bear good fruit is cut down and thrown into the fire. So, if you follow Yeshua and practice your faith by bearing good fruit, you can be confident to call yourself a son or daughter of Abraham, a part of Israel, part of the kingdom of Yahweh. Hallelujah. Romans 9:15. For he says to Moses, I will have mercy on whom I have mercy, and I will have compassion on whom I have compassion. Romans 9:18. So then he has mercy upon whomever he wills, and he hardens the heart of whomever he wills. Please share your thoughts below. Thank you, and shalom.